Okay, so I want to do this 360 photography. What's the first thing I need?
Turntable. Got one off the website?
I got a baseboard.
Yep, that's the one.
Excellent.
Now, to put that together,
Yep.
the baseboard itself should have the holes.
Yep.
And you screw down a bearing to it. The bearing?
Bearing. Bearing. Anywhere?
Wrong side. No. That's it.
Alright. Screw it down.
Screw that down.
Which way?
Straight forward. That's the way.
That way.
Bearing up, yep. And then those holes should line up.
With these holes?
Yeah.
Sorted.
Screw that in, please.
Screw.
Yeah. 4 screws.
4
Should be in the
screws?
pack. Have I got them? There you go. 4 screws.
Screwdriver.
Yep. It's best if you've got a red screwdriver, but blue's fine. So you've got to make sure that the bearing goes on the baseboard first.
Sorted. I got 4 screws left.
Yeah, that's spare. You get the top, turntable top.
Top.
That's the next bit. And that screws onto there. So work that way. Yeah. So that one face down. But you don't want to scratch that. Put a cloth down or something. Baseboard down.
Top on base. Top on cloth.
Now, difficult bit.
Wow.
Trying to line up those screws through those holes.
Okay.
I'll let you do that.
So I can see.
And that should be your turntable. That's the job.